You see, since you recognize there's a brokenness in the relationship between you and father, for someone older like your father to come down to your level and say, son, I'm sorry, it's tough. It's a tough thing for him to do. But because you are younger than your father by many years, it will be easier for you to say sorry. What happens when you say sorry? Although in this case, the actual person need to say sorry. You, in your opinion, could be your father, right? Could be your father saying sorry, but this may not happen. This may not happen. So it will be easier when you share with him your feeling. Father, this is my feeling. I felt how you treated me, And if you are open and share with him, and then you say that I really appreciate our relationship, father-son relationship. Is there anything that we can do to improve it? Maybe you say sorry first, and then your father, after listening to you, he can be more open. There is a chance for him to be open and also share his feeling as well. But you have to initiate, because you are younger, you are stronger, you recognize the brokenness, so it will be easier for you to start this conversation. Because for him, who is much older than you, it's actually tough, because it's about, can he handle his pride thing, for men especially.
Okay, thank you for the question.